Hello everyone, I welcome you to Constechz Academy. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you an amazing educational website. And this platform provides free interactive simulation for subjects like science, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and even F science. It's a very useful for teachers, students, and parents because it makes learning practical, visual, and then fun. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more educational and technology tutorial. So what is this platform about? The PhET. PhET is an interactive simulation, and it's a free educational platform developed by the University of Colorado, and the website contains virtual simulation that helps learners understand difficult concept through interaction and then experimentation. As a result, instead of reading theory from books, students can drag objects, change their values, run experiments, and see instant results on the screen. So this makes learning more engaging and then easy to understand. For you to access this website, you just have to go to the web browser and type it. I'll provide a link in the description. So once you type this, you have this home page. This is the home page. So as you see, if you click on simulation, we'll have all simulation. You have the subject physics, maths and statistics, chemistry, earth and then space. We have biology. You can also use the searchable bar to search for a specific topic. For example, if you're looking for fraction, you just have to type fraction. So let's say, for example, I want to search for, I'll just come here and then I'll search fraction. Okay. So there are a lot of things that will come here. Build a fraction matcher, fraction, and then equality, the fraction intro. Okay. You select the simulation that you want. Then the student can drag item, change settings, experiment freely, observe result instantly. So this is more or less a platform that is good for all teachers, all students, and then parents who want their child to have an engaging and then interactive lesson. Thank you so much. In our next video, I'll take you through how you can navigate this platform easily. Thank you.